Here's my Prepaid Center app, so just tap to get it, double click to install, and then welcome to my Prepaid Center. Use this app to add virtual accounts to your digital wallet. Follow these steps. Visit the website where you activated the virtual card. Select the Add to Wallet button to add your digital wallet. Open digital wallet to access and span your card. My Prepaid Center app features Add Virtual MasterCard from My Prepaid Center to Apple Pay. Enables load-in virtual MasterCard to your Apple Pay with a simple click of a button. So like if you're using this prepaid card, it's very helpful app. Select Add to Wallet button, and then open digital wallet to access this card. For some reason the card doesn't appear here. I don't know what's not working. Interesting. I'm using iOS 17, the latest version, and seems I updated the app. And the purpose of this app is to add your card to the Apple Pay to use for digital purchases, but I don't know why it's not working here. Maybe you can already add your prepaid card as it is without this app, but it says I have received 2 cards from my job, I believe purchased via Cheers, that I cannot use. I follow all the steps. Need user card will add to my Apple Wallet. I have tried manually entering the info, but I get contact card issuer, and I've tried logging in online with my phone, choosing add to wallet, which opens up this app, but I still get the same error of unable to retrieve your card info. So maybe. So maybe probably you need to first to have your prepaid card, try to add it to Apple Wallet, go to your wallet app, which is a standard app, go to there, and then this Prepaid Center app will open up. So there you have it.